Are you a 9 to 5 employee or a civil servant and you think you do not have time for agribusiness? Not a problem. As a matter of fact, it is a big mistake and huge risk to start agriculture when you are either retired or you are laid off, or you quit your job, your full-time job, to start any form of business. It is a huge risk. Your best shot of starting out is to find a way to start on a part-time basis, such that you are able to learn along the line. By the time you quit your job, or you are laid off, or you are retired before you go into it full force, you are likely to make a lot of costly mistakes. As a matter of fact, it will hit into your lifestyle such that it will be difficult for you to grow the business. I was in this circle for a very long time until I realized that I need to have a personal income that takes care of my basic needs, and then without touching the business finance. Until I was able to get out of the survival mode, the business was not growing. If you are in a job right now, it's your best shot to find a way to start part-time. And you might be asking, how do you start part-time? There is a lot of scam out there. Get this, you can actually start with what I call the learn and earn model. It helps you to learn the ropes of the business while you find a way to earn a token. The token will necessarily not to be as much as you can imagine it, but it gives you room to as well pay you for that little time you are investing in that your knowledge. And as a matter of fact, it can help you still put some funds aside, such that by the time you are going fully into agriculture, you are well prepared. Your mistakes will be so little. There is always, as a matter of fact, there are different models, there are different ways you can start agribusiness while you are in a full-time job. Comment ideas in the comment section if you need something like this. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.